All right, so today is actually the day of the eclipse. And I figured, well, might as well get working on this again. So I had to tweak some things and I actually got it running again. Yes. So here's the 148.1221 and I will show her in action. So I'll put you right over here in the stand. And I've done some test dishes, so I don't know if you can see, probably not, but I have her on zigzag stitch. Hard to focus in here. About 3. So maybe we'll try 4 or 5. I'll try 4. All right, and here we go. It's been so long since I sewed on this one, I forgot how quiet it was. Now I just want to make sure that it's not going to hit. So far it looks pretty good. Yep, we're good. I can't believe how quiet this is. But there you go. There's the zigzag 4. Now it does a little bit where it's pulling the bobbin thread up on one section, so I may have to tweak a little bit more. But I got it running. Yay!